Hello everyone, I'm IRAV and you are tuned in to the 592 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story from Business Standard focuses on a critical challenge of our time, climate change. At the BFSI Summit, leading voices from the general insurance industry issued a unified call for new norms to navigate the surge in climate-related disasters. And leading this charge was our very own Dr. Tapan Singhel, the MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance, who delivered a stark and powerful message. He noted that when a climate disaster strikes, less than 10% of the total economic loss is actually insured. The rest remains uncovered, which, as he pointed out, has a direct 2% impact on India's gross domestic product. This is a wonderful and clarifying wake-up call for all of us. Dr. Tapan Singhel emphasized the urgent need for a joint strategy between the government and insurers, involving innovative solutions like catastrophe bonds and tiered-level risk pooling to make India's disaster resilience more robust. This proactive, collaborative approach is a beacon of hope, promising to build a stronger safety net for our nation against the unpredictable forces of nature. Up next, we turn to a story from Business Standard highlights the new age risks emerging from our rapidly evolving digital and transportation landscape. The panelists at BFSI Summit shed light on the mounting challenge of cyber threats, with cyber frauds accounting for a staggering 0.7% of India's GDP. Insurers are responding with innovative new products, but the message was clear. Collaboration with tech firms is crucial. On the evolving motor insurance front, our very own Dr. Tapan Singhel, the MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance, highlighted the new challenges brought by electric vehicles, especially concerning battery safety and infrastructure. He explained that insurers are actively looking at global models and customizing them for India, with a focus not just on accidents, but on a holistic electric vehicle ecosystem, including roadside assistance and battery-related risks. This forward-thinking approach ensures that as we embrace cleaner technology, our protection keeps pace, giving consumers the confidence to make the switch. Our next update comes from ANI News. You might be wondering exactly how these new GST rules work and what they mean for your Medi-Claim policy. The new rules provide wonderful and reassuring clarity. They state that the 18% GST applies specifically to the risk cover component of your premium, not the entire amount you pay. This is a significant distinction. It ensures greater transparency and fairness in how your premium is calculated, preventing you from being taxed on parts of the premium that are purely for savings or investment. This thoughtful approach ensures that you are not overburdened, making your health insurance policy more equitable and easier to understand. It is a step towards a more consumer-friendly system, empowering you with clear knowledge of where your money goes. Our final story from News Live TV, a recent and very telling report, and it reveals a powerful and immediate impact of a proposed policy change on the hearts and minds of Indian consumers. The report highlights a staggering 38% surge in demand for health insurance, all fueled by the government's proposal to reduce the GST on these premiums to zero. This is not just a statistic, it is a clear and resounding signal from the public. It shows that when the barrier of cost is lowered, families rush to secure the health and financial well-being of their loved ones. The proposal to make health insurance more affordable has struck a powerful chord, transforming it from a considered purchase into an urgent priority for millions. This surge in demand is a testament to the collective desire for a safety net. It is a wonderful and reassuring sign that Indians are proactively seeking protection and that forward-thinking fiscal policy can directly empower them to do so. This development beautifully illustrates the direct link between policy and people's lives. It paints a hopeful picture of a future where quality healthcare is not a privilege, but a protected right for every citizen, made possible by the simple, powerful act of making insurance more accessible. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you've found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.